Hello everyone, welcome back to Product channel. Today we're discussing the best laptops for interior design students and professionals. Interior designing is a tedious job that involves a lot of imagination and designing. To create new designs and view the samples of designs in a particular building or home, you need to have a laptop to render 3D models. The laptop used by the interior designers should have the ability to support creativity and work continuously without any interference. There are a variety of laptop models available in the market for interior designers, but they need a specific set of requirements to satisfy their needs and create good designs. For example, their laptop should have an extended battery life to work for longer hours. The laptop's quality should be perfect so that they can carry them everywhere without worrying about physical damage. Most of their designs involve 3D programs that are being used for creating designs. Some of the advanced 3D programs like SketchUp and 3D Max require proper processors for continuous working and receiving the outputs constantly without interruption. The laptop should be comfortable for them to carry around to meet their clients with confidence and show their design without worrying about the laptop's quality. As an interior designer, you will have the requirement to carry them everywhere. So you need to purchase a laptop with useful features that will help you maintain the quality of the design. We have been conducting constant research in interior design and have found out certain features that are essential to look out for while purchasing a laptop. Let us now watch this video ahead to study them in detail. Brand. Most people view the brand of the laptop as a sign of prestige, but the brand of the laptop is not just about the name and popularity. Usually the brand represents the quality. Because when a brand is introduced, it usually goes through many quality tests before establishing its name. So when you purchase a laptop from a high quality brand, you can be assured that the laptop's quality is good. Also, most of the branded laptops tend to have service centers all over the country to support the users and provide continuous service. Purchasing a branded laptop will allow you to enjoy the company's facilities and the constant update regularly without worrying about future quality. Budget. When you are purchasing a laptop for interior design, you need to understand that it is for a professional purpose. So the laptop's quality should be high that allows you to work continuously without having any interaction. All the essential features should be available on the laptop, including a high quality web camera and a good quality processor that supports the heavy designer software. Sure, the best option for you, choosing a laptop with a good quality budget that will satisfy your requirements. Purchasing a laptop within a budget of Rs 85,000 to 1,05,000 will be suitable for your requirements. All designs going below this particular price will affect the quality of the final product, affecting the profit eventually. So try to go for a good quality laptop that will last for a lifetime and allow you to work freely without any tension. Processor. When you purchase a laptop for interior design, you need to have a good processor in background. Most of the designers will use some of the high ends like SketchUp and 3D Max, which require a good processor for immediate response and provide quick results. Having a laptop with Intel Core i7 technology will allow you to enjoy fast responses and work on multiple software simultaneously without worrying about the slowing down of the laptop. Most of these processors will have an integrated graphic card that will serve its purpose. The processor is entirely responsible for processing the input and output present within the laptop. So, a good processor is directly proportional to satisfactory output. As a designer, you can be increased to choose i7 or i9, which is much better quality, but the price range is greater than the i7 model. Since you will be using multiple software simultaneously, using a quad-core dual-core technology laptop will allow you to run the software in the separate core space and enjoy a virtual individuality among the programs running in the background. Screen and display. Most of the designs created on the laptop will be of high quality, including the smallest details present within the software. So when you are purchasing a laptop, the screen quality should be perfect with the ability to display all the details at a better viewing angle. So when you are purchasing a laptop, you have to note the size of the screen, resolution, color of the laptop screen, and concentrate on the sharpness of the objects present on the laptop. Let us now see about these details. Screen size. When you are purchasing a laptop for designing purposes, you need to have a good screen size. Buying a laptop with a screen size of 15 inches or more would be ideal for your requirements. If you are going to carry your laptop around everywhere, then having a screen size of 15 inches will be perfect. But if you are thinking about using the laptop only for home or office based working, you can go for a much larger size like 17 inches. This condition is because a 15 inches laptop will be more comfortable for you to carry around. The size of the screen will allow you to work on multiple software simultaneously, where you can place the files side by side and work consecutively. Color and brightness. When you design a building or a particular room and present it to your client, you should keep in mind that all the design details should be clear. Even a slight variation in color will change the whole background setup, and hence the color of the laptop should be perfect and establish your exact design in mind. The brightness of the laptop should also be perfect. They should come with the choice to adjust them according to your requirement, because when you are designing a project for long hours, having a high brightness continuously will affect your eyesight. At the same time, when you are working under direct sunlight like a near window, you will have the requirement to increase the brightness to enjoy proper vision and avoid the darkening of the screen. The color and brightness of the screen are important, especially for a designer. Resolution. The next important concept that you need to keep in mind while purchasing a laptop is the screen's resolution. Purchasing a LED laptop with a 1080 pixel resolution or a laptop with OLED resolution will allow you to enjoy a good quality image without missing any details. The laptop's resolution is important because having a high definition resolution will allow you to produce perfect designs and provide presentations on your laptop without thinking about the quality. Everyone will understand the design clearly and they are best suitable for 3D modeling designs. Graphics card. Most of the processors you purchased by coming along with an integrated graphic card will be sufficient for your usage. But for experiencing good features, purchase a laptop with an extra graphic card like NVIDIA GeForce for enjoying a good quality laptop that can be used for designing all types of models with good details. Purchasing a laptop with an extra graphic card of storage 2 GB will be useful for you. So for you, the extra graphic card will cost you a bit more. They are useful and especially for professional requirements. The graphic card is particularly responsible for converting the data from processors and other data to form a design displayed on the screen. Having an extra graphic card for the laptops that are going to be used for designing is essential. Random access memory. The random access memory is used to store the temporary data of the software running on the laptop. So if you require fast response from all the software you are running simultaneously, then having a good random access memory is essential. For example, using a random access memory of 4 GB will allow you to run 2 or 3 software simultaneously. Still, after a few minutes, the laptop will be blocked and eventually the system will slow down. So when you are using a designing software, then using a RAM of 8 GB or more will be suitable for your requirements because most of the designing software tends to store a lot of cache data with high memory. So the random access memory should be large enough. While purchasing a laptop goes for a RAM with 8 GB to 32 GB capacity, remember, the greater the better in the case of RAM storage space. The speed and response time of the software depends solely upon the RAM size. Disk drive. The disk drives are directly responsible for storing all the data present in the computer, including the administration data. So if the disk drive is damaged to a certain extent, then all the data stored in it will be destroyed immediately. And that's the main reason most people have a backup of their hard disk. The hard disk drive, otherwise known as HDD, is the common form of disk drive used by people worldwide. They are available in the form of magnetic disk, but all the data are stored in layers. When you try to extract the data, it will take some time because the disk will be rotating and extracting the data will take a bit time. But they have been available for a long time and the price is lower. The storage space provided by them will be up to 1 TB. The next type of disk drive available in the market is the solid state drive. But they will not be useful to a designer because they are available only up to 500 GB storage space, which is lower. But since all the data is stored openly, the time taken for retrieving the data is faster and they have more tolerability to external pressure. So if you are trying to purchase a laptop, then try to purchase both SSD and HDD. Else purchase a laptop with HDD storage space combined with external storage backup for protection. Having at least 1 terabyte storage space is essential for a designer laptop because the design stored will take up a lot of space than required. Web camera. The web camera is an essential feature for a designer because you will have online meetings with your client most of the time. And having a web camera with good quality will allow you to conduct online meetings. So when you purchase a laptop, make sure that the web camera is of good quality with a resolution of at least 6 megapixel so that your clients can view the details of the presentation. The laptop should have integrated audio speakers and audio microphone to have a perfect meeting along with the web camera. The speakers should be perfect with Dolby's quality. The microphone should also have the ability to convert your voice without any distortion in the middle. Touchscreen technology. As a designer, you need to have a laptop with touchscreen technology because you will create the designs directly on the screen using it as a notebook. You can also purchase a separate tool for drawing the designs, but having a touchscreen will allow you to use them everywhere without proper setup. The laptop should have the ability to rotate a 360-degree angle so that it can be used as a notebook that allows you to take notes and create designs even while standing. Having a touchscreen technology laptop will be useful in most situations, but if you are not comfortable, you can use a normal laptop. The screen should have the most appropriate feather touch technology, battery, and other features. The laptop battery should be perfect and have the ability to last for at least 10 hours because the software you're using, the laptop will be more powerful. So, when you go out to explain the concept to the client, you should have good quality battery power to last until the presentation is over. This facility will also allow you to take the designs to a working site and not worry about searching for a point in a building that is under construction. Along with these features, there are also other important things like a good set of keyboard that allows free movement of fingers. You should also have a laptop that will allow you to enjoy a proper feather touch touchpad with proper port connection. The external port connections will allow you to connect the laptop to some of the external disk drives and other laptops for combined working with your employees. So while purchasing the laptop, all these features should be checked along with the quality. The laptop should also have the ability to connect with all types of external ports and wireless connections like Bluetooth and Wi-Fi for continuous meetings and constant sharing of data with your colleagues. Given below are some of the commonly available laptops in the market that we prefer to use for interior designers. So if you are thinking about purchasing a laptop for your professional life, then purchase either one of the items given ahead or you can also select another model that will be suitable for you based upon your requirements. Most of these products are available for sale on online websites like Amazon. We recommend the best laptops for Indian and international editions. Best Indian edition laptops are Samsung Galaxy Book Flex Alpha 2-in-1 QLED touchscreen laptop, Intel Core i5 processor, 8 GB RAM, 256 GB SSD disk drive, Windows 10 OS, 13.3-inch screen width, royal silver color with touch screen technology. HP Pavilion 360 Core i7 10th generation FHD touchscreen laptop, Intel Core i7 processor, 16 GB RAM, 1 TB SSD disk drive, Windows 10 OS, screen width 14 inches, built-in Alexa technology with touchscreen. Lenovo ThinkPad 390 Intel Core i7 8th generation Full HD thin and light laptop. Intel Core i7 processor, 8 GB RAM, 512 GB SSD, Windows 10 OS, screen width, extra features, thin and light laptop with professional look. Asus ZenBook Duo Intel Core i7. Intel Core i7 processor, 16 GB RAM, 1 TB SSD, 14 inches screen width, extra features, integrate graphics with NVIDIA extra card. Dell Latitude 5501 15.6-inch notebook. Intel Core i7 processor, 16 GB RAM, 512 GB SSD, Windows 10 OS, 15.6-inch screen width. Good quality thin model laptop. Best International Edition laptops are Acer Nitro 5 Gaming Laptop, Intel Core i5 processor, 8 GB RAM, 256 GB SSD, Windows 10 OS, screen width 15.6 inches, extra features, backlit keyboard with built-in Alexa technology. Acer Aspire 5, Intel Core i5 technology processor, 8 GB RAM, 512 GB SSD, Windows 10 OS, 15.6-inch screen width. Extra features, backlit keyboard with webcam integrated. Dell XPS 15 laptop. Intel Core i7 processor, 4 GB RAM, 1 TB SSD, Windows 10 OS, 15.6-inch screen width, soft touch technology, keyboard, thin model laptop. New Microsoft Surface Book 3 15-inch touchscreen. Intel Core i7 processor, 16 GB RAM, 256 GB SSD, Windows 10 OS, 15 inches screen width. Extra features, high quality laptop model with platinum color. Asus ROG Strix Car 3. Intel Core i7 processor, 16 GB RAM, 1 TB SSD. Windows 10 OS, 15.6 inches screen width. Extra features, high quality integrated graphic card. Thank you so much for watching this video. If you liked the video, please like, comment and share and subscribe to Broadheart channel.